How to use the booking calendar feature on Systeme.io. In this video, you will learn how to use the booking calendar feature on Systeme.io. This feature lets you schedule and manage appointments directly from your Systeme.io account. No need for external platforms like Calendly or YouCanBook. It simplifies your scheduling and keeps all your business activities together. There are 4 main phases to set up a fully functional calendar. Phase 1. Optional: setting up your integrations. Recommend integrating Systeme.io with Google Calendar, Google Meet, or Zoom. This prevents double bookings and creates meeting links automatically. For integration help, check these articles: How to integrate Google Calendar with Systeme.io. How to integrate Google Meet with Systeme.io. How to integrate Zoom with Systeme.io. Phase 2. Creating and setting up your calendar event. 2 key elements here: availability and events. Availability means setting the days, hours, and buffer times you accept appointments. Learn more in the article, How to set the availability of your events. Events are the types of sessions you offer, like a free consultation or a 1-hour coaching call. Create at least one event to start accepting bookings. Learn more in the article, How to set up your events. Phase 3. Adding the calendar to a funnel page. Make your event visible to customers by adding it to a funnel page. There are two booking types: free bookings and paid bookings. For free bookings, add your calendar to an opt-in page, sales page, or blog page. Drag and drop the calendar element in the page editor. Configure the settings. Learn more in the article, How to offer free bookings. For paid bookings, add your calendar to an order form or payment page. Drag and drop the paid calendar element in the page editor. Configure the settings. Learn more in the article, How to sell your bookings. Phase 4. Managing your bookings. Track all appointments in the Bookings tab. See upcoming and past appointments with client details, date, and time. You can cancel or reschedule appointments directly there. Learn more in the article, How to manage your calendar bookings. We built a digital business to create ongoing income. This allows us to follow our dreams and live our ideal life. If you want to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com now. Grab various free resources available right now. These resources are completely free. Find access to these free resources in the first pinned comment below. God bless you. Thanks a bunch.